Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. I'm Yentl. An Aruban-born native was recognized for her hard-working efforts within two communities, the Washington community in which she currently resides in, as well for her contribution in mentoring Aruban youths. If you may recall, Maureen Bunyan was here a few years ago to speak at the Women in Leadership Conference. I still remember her powerful address to the females of Aruba. Now, despite her departure from the island, her heart is still with Aruba, and the Dutch Kingdom acknowledged this. The news anchor was knighted by the Netherlands on Friday. Here is the coverage her network ABC put together.
In addition to the hard work that Maureen has done in her decades in front of the camera, she received a well-deserved honor for her work in the community here and in Aruba. Why Aruba? Maureen was born there, and it's part of the Dutch Kingdom. She's receiving this honor for all the work that she's done in mentoring young Arubans over the years.
That's an important thing for all of us, not only Aruba, but for the entire kingdom.
Maureen has helped hundreds of young people start their careers in journalism and other educational endeavors.
Maureen has been an incredible facilitator for Aruba in many ways. She's opened so many doors to her own contacts, not only on education, but also at all different political levels here in Washington.
Here and around the world, working in tandem with the Aruban Ministry of Education and American universities, including Harvard.
It's a tribute to what she's been doing. They're, pillars of society, and I'm very glad that we honor them.